Welcome back. In the previous classes, you did the solution of linear equation in two variable by graph. Now in today's class, we will find out the solution of linear equation in two variable by substitution method. As the name suggests over here, substitute. In the substitution, substitute is hidden, isn't it? Substitute छुपा हुआ है. So this substitute or the substitution method is from one equation we will find out the value of one variable and that value we will substitute in second equation. ओके, सो सब्स्टिट्यूट एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू निकाल के उसको दूसरी इक्वेशन में उसको पुट करना है, दैट इज द सब्स्टिट्यूट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट पार्ट, you can find out the value of the variable from either of the equation. It's not necessary that always you have to take the first equation. You can take any one of the equation. You can choose it yourself. So from equation 1, you will get x plus y equal 14. Find out one variable value. So it will come as x equal 14 minus y. Now what will you do? You will substitute this value or you will put this value in नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन, इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन. अगर आप फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में से वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं, वेरिएबल निकाल रहे हैं, यू विल पुट इट इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन. और अगर आप सेकेंड इक्वेशन में से वैल्यू निकाल रहे हैं, देन यू विल पुट इट इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. सो वी विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 3 इन इक्वेशन 2. Equation 3 से की value we will put it in equation 2. Let's see. Instead of x we will put its value 14 minus y instead of x in equation 2. Minus y equal 4. Solve it. Equal 4. 14 minus 2y equal 4. So 14 minus 4 equal 2y. So you will get y equal 10 upon 2, so you will get y equal 5. Y equal 5 you will get it. Now tell me, how will you find out the x value? X value. Substitute this value of y in either of the equation. Okay, so you can put the value of y. Put y equal 5 in equation 3. So if you will put x equal 14 minus 5, so x equal, what will you get it? 9. 9 you will get it. So what are the values of x and y here? Values of x and y. Therefore x equal 9 and y equal 5. So these are the values of x and y. So what we did, we have done this question with substitution method. In next exercise, you will do some other method also. But in your exam, if the question related to linear equation in two variable come, then you can apply any method, whichever be the easiest method for you, that you can apply it. But if they will ask that by specifically by this method or by any other method you have to, then you will use that method only. Okay, otherwise you can use any method. Now in second part, if you will observe the second linear equation, it is not in the proper standard form. So what we will do, we will take its LCM and solve it further. So it will become 2s plus 3t equal 36. ये आ जाएगा. and this is the first equation and this is second equation. हमने क्या किया, LCM लिया, LCM लेकर we will do the cross multiplication, you will get this equation, linear equation. Now these are the two equations. अब हम क्या करेंगे, whatever be the easiest way, from equation 1 find out s 3 plus t. So let it be, this is equation 3, s आपके पास आ गया 3 plus t. What should be next step? From equation 1 you have taken s value. Now put the value of s from equation 3 in equation 2. Put the value of s in equation 2. आपने 1 में से निकाला, now you will put it in equation 2. So in equation 2 instead of s you will put this value, plus 3t equal 36, 6 plus 2t, 3t, 36, 5t will be 30, so t will 6. Now we have got the value of t as 6. What is the other variable? S. तो हम put t equal 6 किसी भी इक्वेशन में अब आप डाल सकते हो, in equation 3. So you will get s equal 3 plus 6. So you will get s equal 9. So t is 6 and s you are getting it as 9. Clear? Very easiest way, very easy way to find out the value of variable by substitution method. Look at this one. How will you do it? Take any one of the equation. This is equation 1 and equation 2. From equation, if you want, you can take it 2, or from equation 2, x equal root 8y upon root 3. This you will get it. From equation 2, हमने equation 2 से x की value निकाली. So what we will do? We will put the value of x in equation 1. So from 3, put the value of x in equation 2 से निकाला, in equation 1. So root 2 instead of x, root 8y upon root 3 plus root 3y equals 0. How will you solve it? देखो, root 2 into root 8, root 16. So it will come as 4 upon root 3y plus root 3y equals 0. Isn't it? Equals to 0. Now, how will you solve it now? कैसे solve करेंगे इसे? Tell me. How will you solve it? From here, अगर आपको solve करना है, you can take y common. 4 upon root 3 plus root 3 equals 0. So y equal 0 upon this term. 0 upon this term will be 0. So it will come as 0. Isn't it? 0 आ जाएगा. अब how to find out the other variable? बताइए, how will you find out? Now you will put the value of y in equation 3. So put y equals 0 in equation 3. So in equation 3, x equal root 8 upon root 3 and y is 0. So it will come as any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So it will come as 0. So y is also 0 and x is also 0. Clear to all of you? Okay. Now question 2. Question 2 is, you have to solve, first you will solve it So by which method? By substitution method. But later on you can use any method. Here we will solve it by substitution method. And then after solving it, you have to find the value of m for y equal mx plus 3. So first we will solve it from equation 2 from this is from equation 2. You will get 2x equal minus 24 plus 4y. तो आपके पास ये 2x आ गया. Now this 2x you can straight away put it instead of equation 1. In equation 1 you can put it. So from first, instead of 2x you can put its value straight away. Minus 24 plus 4y and plus 3y equal 11. So minus 24 plus 7y equal 11. So from here you will get 7y equal 35. So y will be 5. y आपका 5 आ गया. How will you find out x? To find out the value of x, substitute this value of y in either of the equation. So from equation 3, put the value of y in equation 3. Put y equal 5 in equation 3. Equation 3 में put करते हैं. Let's see what answer we will get it. Minus 24 plus 4 into 5. So 2x equal minus 24 plus 20. 2x equal minus 4. So x will be minus 2. So x is coming as minus 2 and y is coming as 5. Now further what they have asked it, find the value of m for this. तो हमारे पास x and y is already there. We will substitute over here. Okay, so instead of y we will substitute its value 5. M into x minus 2 plus 3. We will write it like this. Solve कीजिए. 5 minus 2m plus 3. Shift it. 2 equal minus 2m. So m will be 2 upon minus 2. Cancel it. M equal minus 1. So after shifting it, you will get the value of m as minus 1. So this is the method of substitution जो आपने सीखा अभी. So we will question 3 onward we will take it in next class how to solve the value by substitution method further. Thank you and have a nice day.